These are equations of straight line, the straight line equations from two arc. Line L passes through the points -2 and 3 and -1 and 6 and is perpendicular to another line P at -1 and 6. Find the equation of line L, 2 marks. Find the equation of P in the form of AX plus BY minus C, where A and B are and C are constants, 2 marks. Given that another line Q is parallel to L and passes through the point 1 and 2, find the X and Y intercepts of Q. Find the point of intersection of lines P and Q. Let's start from question number 1. Question A. Let's do question A. Find the equation of the line. Equation of the line is given by this gradient. We say that gradient of a line is given by change in y or change in x. That is remember that is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. What that is? You have x1, y1, x2, y2. So this means that we are going to get 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 of -1 plus 2, because minus minus. This one is going to be the gradient of this line will be what? It's going to be 3, 3 over 1. 3 over 1. 3 over 1. -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2 is 1. -1 plus 2 is 1, because then ya moja inabaliwa mbili inakuwa positive there. So from there I'm going to proceed and get the gradient of this line is 3. So now find what? Find the equation of the line. Using the gradient you can use either of the point, either these points or these points. Let us use these points here. So you say y minus 3 over x minus, now it should be plus 2, is equals to 3. That will be y minus 3 equals to 3x plus what? Plus 6. Because this cross multiplication of x plus 2 times 3, So it gives you what? So it gives you y minus, y is equals to 3x. Y equals to 3x plus 9. This is the solution of A. Because this one is -3, inakuja pande hii, itakuwa ni 6 plus 3. So that is the solution of A. And now we can move on. So now, don't forget hapo kuna kitu ya muhimu at point P ambayo inaangalia 1 and 3 perpendicular to that one. That's the equation. Find the equation of P in the form of x plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are constants. So I'm going to talk about now solution of this is solution of A. This is solution of B. I'm going to say now the equation of P in form of x, and they are perpendicular. So the perpendicular line, you see that m1 times m2 gradient equals -1. So say the gradient of line 1 is what? Is the ray, So the ray which is m1 times m2, that means the ray m2 is equals to -1. So gradient of this line is what? This gradient is m2 will be equal to what? -1 over the ray, Then now from there I'm going to solve the equation, saying that we have the points y minus 6 over x plus 1 equals to -1 over 3. -1 over 3. That is the gradient of that equation. From there now we proceed and say that what do you say here? That now I'm going to cross multiply this one. Itakuwa ni 3y minus 18 equals to -x plus, not plus but minus 1. Are you getting that? It's important that you see what we are doing. So here is cross multiplication, don't forget that. So itakuwa ni 3y equals to -x, ikuja huku itakuwa ni positive, so itakuwa ni -1 plus 18 is -17, right? -1 plus 18. then ya moja na muongeza 10 na itakuwa ni positive, of course, positive 17. So these are to give it in the form of what? In the form of this one. So itakuwa this form itakuwa ni ikuja hivi itakuwa ni 3y plus x. Sio kweli? Is equal to 17, which means itakuwa ni ax, mean not x but x plus 3y equals 17. That is solution to B, yeah? Solution to B, yeah? Solution to B. Solution to B, yeah? Fine. Let's move on to solution to C now, huh? Solution to C. Solution of C, yeah? Solution C. Given that another line and Q is parallel to L. L, the first equation, the first one, this one, this is equation L. This is equation L. This is equation what? P. Don't forget that. Now we're looking for Q. Q is parallel to L. Parallel means same gradient. Same gradient. These are parallel lines. You have got similar or same gradient. So the way to use this gradient, that means line Q and L will have the same gradient. That means that this is a gradient. So, and these are the points. So they're going y minus what? 2 over x minus 1 is equals to 3. So only gives you what? So only give you y minus 2 equals to 3x minus 3, yeah? So it means that it's going to get y minus, not really y, minus y is equal to 3x, then e inakuja huku, itakuwa aje hiyo? Negative 3 plus 2, itakuwa negative 1. Yes, itakuwa negative 1. Negative 3 plus 2, because kuja pale itakuwa positive, itakuwa negative 1, itakuwa negative 1. Negative 1. Let's proceed with the question. Find the intercepts, x and y intercepts of the line Q. How do you get intercepts? Intercepts here is how you do them. You have to get intercepts. Y-intercept is given when the x is 0. So make sure y will be equal to what? 3 when x is 0 minus 1. So y is what? Y is negative 1. Intercept of y is negative 1. And x-intercept is when y is 0. Is when y is 0 minus 1. Itakuwa ni negative 3x is equals to negative 1. So hii inamaanisha itakuwa ni divided by negative 3 divided by negative 3. So now x will be what? Negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3. So that's x-intercept is negative 1 over 3. And y-intercept is what? Y-intercept is negative 1. Let's move on to the last question. The last question is saying, find the point of intersection of lines P and Q. This one you're looking for line what? This one is C is line P, Is line Q. This one is Q, This one is Q. So that one being Q, this is the equation at the right. That is Q. Line Q. Find the point of intersection. The intersection of line P and Q. Let's go. P and Q. P and Q ndio hii. Let's look for the point of intersection. As I'm going to solve them simultaneously. I'm going to solve that simultaneously. That is the solution of D. Solution of D will be what? X plus 3y equals 17. Here in that form, you're going to y plus 3x, meaning y minus 3x equal b. EP equal 3y plus x equals 17. That's equation 1, that is P. Equation 2 is y minus 3 is equals to negative 1. That is equation 2. Then you solve them simultaneously, right? That's important. Solve them simultaneously. Let's solve them simultaneously. You're going to use which sign? Negative. Not really negative, but not like this one by what? It doesn't eliminate y. It doesn't eliminate x. Eliminating x. It doesn't eliminate y. Under this one by y3. Since divided by 3 doesn't eliminate y. Itakuwa ni 3y plus x is equal to 17. Na itakuwa ni 3y minus 9x is equals to negative 3. So from there, proceed and say, where do you? As a need y, they go minus. You put minus 3y minus 3y, bunny 0. So the bunny x minus 9x. Like 10x. Is equals to what? 17 minus the bunny 20. So it's when the bunny divided by 10 divided by 10. The value of x is what? 2. And x is 2, and the value of y. Come here and say, when x is 2, what is y? Just substitute in equation 1, and say 3y plus x, and x is 2, is equals to 17. That means 3y is equals to what? 17 minus 2. That means 3y is equals to 15. And what's the value of y? The value of y is 5. Y is equals to 5. So coordinates are what? What are the coordinates of the point of intersection? They are 2, 5. That is the answer of C. 2, 5. Thank you so much. Leave the comment there. Subscribe and make sure that you keep on following me. Thank you so much.